Sorry, email the first time. Di wala man to pinag sige ito kay ma-deliver pa man ito wala ko kung may si-deliver yung custom.
My name is Marian Versosa. I'm part of the Negros Occidental Coffee Festival organizing team and also a member of Negros Occidental Coffee Council. So today we'll be having our media launch for the very first Negros Occidental Coffee Fiesta on August 9 to 11 at Ayala Malls Capital. So first, I would like to acknowledge everyone's presence. Ma'am Yuna Joy from DTI, our Provincial Director. Miss Rosie from DTI, Miss Doreen. Our Project Manager, Miss Gina Medoski. To come here this afternoon. May I call on Miss Zoe Limson, our first runner-up Lin Ice ng Negros. Sir Marco Fuenzori, Irish Kilio, Miss Coffee Enthusiast. Miss Marnel Castro.
Hi.
Sir Eduardo. Sorry, Miss Caroline. Miss Caroline of PLDC. Sorry. And Miss Eddie Cañete.
Ayan.
Mayang hapon sa tanan.
Mayang hapon, sir.
I'm from Minoyan Norcia. I'm a member of the indigenous people at Bukidnon, full-time coffee farmer. Being elected last 3 years ago, Ma'am Rosie, as the chairperson of the Provincial Coffee Council. Our council, si Mark from the Cafe Norma.
Petition for hosting. So to really invigorate yung
Kape nyo sa Batayan is Arabica Robusta, which is for me, Arabica Robusta is a variety of coffee. That's type of coffee. Nang mas dalom pag-intindi about coffee. Ang amo na siyang mission naman, may lain-lain si Sir Mark every Saturday. Twice a month today sa Chef and Bakers. Si Marian, si Mark, may klase ito sa Bean City Bro sa shop. Kami regularly nag-accept kami guest, tourist, mga farm tour, i-walk through ta kamo sa the whole value chain process ng coffee. And then every December, nag-celebrate kami sa Earth Day, Sierra Madre Day. Kay Di Kabalo, kami, mas nakaintindi nga mas manamit ang kape kung mas nami ang atong biodiversity. That's why sa first day sa atong event sa August 9, makonect natin ang protecting biodiversity equals to producing quality coffee. So, kaya hindi ka pwede ka produce sa quality coffee kung baldang imo biodiversity. And shout out to kay Sir Robert, kay Ma'am Bia, para sa ini nga ginagalit sa aton. Pero naman si Coffee Council, kayo-kayuan, kami supo, may pagkaon, sponsor ng venue, sponsor. So salamat si Ma'am Bia, Sir Robert. Sila man ni Sir Robert, man yung nagbulig sa aton design sa mga stools kag booths na aton sa Ayala. So, tanan, pro bono.
18 yados times 15 is equivalent to 270. So their goal is to brew up until 270 grams of
Excuse me. For cups.
Okay, so the coffee that we're brewing, it doesn't have anything unless atong Maliser Ted yung ferment na with papaya. Ours, we fermented this as well for 14 days, but without any fruits naman niya.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for reminding me. One is from Sir Teddy's farm, the second one is from our farm in Mailo. May certain elevation. Ngiten. So this one, kung ang duwato kagina nga na-try na coffees are fermented, the pea berries is not fermented. After nila gin-float, they dry it immediately. Wala nila na-ferment. Okay, so this one yun padamo, ta ang ratio para damo, para tanan kita makatilaw one of each. Para ma-compare natin ang Robusta and then ang Arabica. Ano ko lang Ang iyang naging ferment is number 1, papaya. Okay. What else getting fermented this year?
I tried several available fruits in the farm. Papaya, pineapple, citrus, cinnamon. I tried also cinnamon. Kamyas, iba. But among these fruits hindi infused ko, try naman na i-cup, i-evaluate. Mas nag-stand out ang papaya.
Ano ni siya, sir?
Ng Arabic.
Arabica. Okay. Okay, let's try the Robusta. Bye bye.
Mount Apple, as Arabica, again, it's challenging to source locally here in Negros. We have Arabicas in the farm, pero it's grown low lang. Hindi ko siya ma-lunaw yung magpasilaw. It's not as good. Because, again, elevation is key. Kape nila sa Japan, still coffee. But it's stale coffee. So, step-by-step guide to brew the coffee bag, coffee drip bags. Cup na lang, nagtata sa cup. Pero the cup means...
Cup liwa.
Sa susunod, ang gina-open to siya, nakasil siya. Pag gina-open to siya, makita tang drip bag. Drip bag. And then, may ari na siya nga holder, cup holder siya. Itir taanay ang babaw. Agod, ma-open. And then, may holder siya, cup holder. Butang na lang. Same procedure man Japan. Load siya anay.
Ay, naguso ang drip coffee sa pandemic, di ba?
Yeah, ito na natin. Right. Diba?
Second, third.
15 grams. Butang ta, ato niya dose, ato niya ratio is 1:17. 15 times 17. 255. So, amo mani ang again, it's best for convenience if we have drip coffees. Kasi agad ka man sa matkisay. Once nag-touch ng tubig sa water, tubig sa coffee, tubig.
Alam ka sa yung mga kasi English.
Okay, so nang 225 pa, yung pasobra ni Mark Kamay, line ratio. And then we just need to wait.
Sa taklob?
Sa taklob. Yeah, sa taklob. Yeah, sorry. Kung magpatay na bi...
Ato na yung matama, ito na tayo ito eh. Ito ba? Ano?
Ang pinakapinta, quality coffee grader, certified, and then I've heard may ari kita local fabricator of mga equipment na ma-use na dun for the coffee processing. Ang makita natin bila that in our province, ari na the pieces of the puzzles are falling into their proper places. So we are here together to promote our coffee industry here in Negros Occidental. Thank you.